Hello everyone, today I bring you a review of the Avalon A1346-116T mining machine, weighing approximately 14.2 kilograms with packaging. The Avalon A1346 utilizes the A1346 algorithm, supporting BTC, BCH, and BSV mining. Boasting a robust 116T hash rate and 3480W power consumption. For more detailed specifications, please visit the official WOYU website. This mining machine features an integrated design for the power supply and main unit, making installation extremely convenient. Simply connect the power cable, selecting the appropriate connector based on the power interface, connect to the network, plug in the power, and press the socket switch to start. Once powered on and settings are completed, the mining machine operates normally. With a 116T hash rate, power consumption is approximately 3326W, and the noise level reaches around 75 decibels, showcasing outstanding performance. How to configure the mining machine for normal operation. Access the mining machine's back-end settings, enter the mining pool worker name, mining address, save, and wait for about 20 minutes. The hash rate will stabilize, and the mining machine's back-end will display various parameters. Checking the mining pool page, you can see the online quantity of mining machines, the hash rate for each unit, total hash rate, earnings, and more. In summary, the Avalon A1346-116T is a powerful SHA-256 algorithm mining machine, supporting BTC, BCH, and BSV mining. With a 116T hash rate and 3480W power consumption, it delivers exceptional performance, suitable for large-scale mining. For more information about mining machines, mining pools, wallets, and checking earnings, please visit the WOYU official website.